me some love, Just give it all to you. Give it all to you. And I'm expecting you to give me love. Give me love, show me love. Yeah, I'm going to teach you how to do 3D face masks, how to make the pattern and how to sew it, Give it out to me, do you understand? If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, press on the notification bell, so anytime that I post a video, you get a chance to come and see it and watch and share your knowledge. Let's keep on protecting ourselves. This virus killing a lot of people. Let's stay safe. Let's wear our masks anytime that we go outside. Let's be real to each other. Let's love one another. Keeping yourself safe, you are keeping others people's lives safe. So keep yourself safe and keep others people's lives safe. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and ask me a question, comment, share me your knowledge and wisdom. Let's all be one. Let's show love together. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you for your love. So let's get started. I want to say thank you again for your time. I will appreciate your time. Thank you a lot. God bless you. I'm using A4 paper. If you don't have any paper, you can use any fabric that you can draw on it and make a pattern, or any book that you have. I measured 10 inches. You can make it 10 and a half or 11 and a half. It depends on your head. I made it 10 centimeters. When you use my measurement and it's still small for you, you can use all the A4 paper, all of it together. I measure here 8 inches. 8 inches. You can measure 7 inches. You can measure 7.5 inches. I measure 8 inches. Like I said, if you use this measurement, it's too big for you. You just have to reduce the sizes. And if it's too small for you, you just have to increase the sizes. If you have not subscribed yet, please show me some love and subscribe. Yeah, I'm measuring 2.2 from that angle. You can make it 2. I'm trying to give you an options, how you can do it. You can make it 2. I made mine 2.2. This is what I do. I try to give you the other option that you can use, to make something. You can see I'm taking measures all the angles, 2.2, 2.2. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Click on notification bell so that anytime that I post something, you get notified. You can see I'm joining all of them together. So after joining, you just have to cut it out. So that's the pattern. That's a 3D pattern. So easy to make. So easy. And easy to sew as well. Just have to follow me. If you don't have your sewing machine, I advise you to get a sewing machine, because I'll be teaching a lot, so that in your free time, in your leisure time, you can do something. You can learn how to sew. You can sew for your husband, you can sew for your wife, you can sew for everybody. Yeah, I'm trying to check if my measurement is accurate. That is 10 inches, 8 inches. I'm trying to see if all my measurements are accurate. So this is the fabric. You need 2 fabric together, 2 fabric. Also, make sure that it's very advisable if you get the fabric, a white fabric, that will be the inner one. Yeah, it's very advisable to use that, because if you look at what the doctors have been using, all the face masks have a white inner surface. So So after being cut, you can see how the pattern is being cut so nicely and beautiful. So we're gonna sew around it all, not all, and we're gonna leave 2 inches at that angle. So if you are feeling this video, if you are really liking it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Comment, show me, tell me what you think. Do you have any idea? Pull it out for me. Do you have a question? Ask it. Ask me the question. Before you leave the 2 inch, make sure you top stitch that point. Yeah, after that you have to cut off the edges. Make sure you don't cut through the thread. These 3D face masks, very simple to make. Try your hands on it. Like I said, if you don't have a sewing machine, try and get one. You can be learning stuff on your leisure time. So you take your scissor or any pin, anything that you want that you can put the edges right. Make sure you don't use all your strength. Take it easy. Don't use all your strength putting the edges to get the right curves. So you take your time. Please, the virus is serious. The virus is furious. Let's take precaution on that. Let's protect ourselves. You can see I've already made some of the 3D face masks out there. So you just have to iron it nice and smooth. You fold that part 2 inches, rather 2 inches. And you fold that apart 2 inches as well. Checking if I get my 2 inches right. Please show me some love, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment, and ask me a question that you want to ask me. If you have something to share, you can put it out and share it. There's an elastic. That is 10 centimeters, 10 inches rather, 10 inches. And that one is short. You can make it 9 inches or 8 inches. Like I said, depend on your head. Some people have big head, some people have small head. So you can make the elastic 8 inches. So here we're gonna top stitch around it all. Like I said, if you try it and it's big for you, just have to reduce the sizes. If the thread is long for you, you just have to reduce the sizes. Keep trying your hand on it. You can see we just top stitch everything together. We are almost done. We are almost done. I'm teaching you everything. I'm not trying to hide anything from here and give you the option. Yeah, you're gonna sew on top. Sew a 1/2 inch on top and do the same thing to the other part. Make sure you don't sew on the one below. You have to check it. So we are almost done. This, I can tell you that this is 90 or 95% work done, because we are almost done. So when you fold, have to fold into two, then you pin it up. You fold it in two. You can see how the way I folded it, so you can fold it the same way. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being here. I will appreciate that. God bless you. You take your thread, elastic, then you make sure you don't sew on the elastic. Make sure you just have to fold it, but don't sew on the elastic, because if you sew on the elastic, you can't pull the elastic. Make sure the elastic have some free movement in it. Checking my folding, making sure I get everything accurate. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Show me love. Give me a thumbs up. For commenting that video is good, just have to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Then you have to tidy that part. So you tidy it up strongly. You do the same thing to the other part. Tie it strongly. You can see how I'm pulling it. Yeah. Then you pull it like that. You can see this. Yeah. So that's 100%. We're done. 3D face mask being done. That's it. We finished. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for giving me a thumbs up. I will appreciate your love. Thank you for showing me love. Yeah, I will appreciate that. Yeah, this is Mora FC. Thanking everybody out there. So this 3D face mask. Try your hands on it. Do it. Do as many as you can. You can share it out. You can give it out. Thank you so much. God bless.